Hi, this is Lalit Gautam, founder and CEO of Sensegrass. We are making farming smart and intelligent. As per the United Nations, by 2040, the world resources won't be able to feed one-third of the global population. The reason is here, because we use excessive pesticide and fertilizers, we waste a lot of water, and we don't have the proper information of soil. And that's make the things complicated, which is today's solution. It's very complex, very unaffordable to the farmers, very difficult to understand by the farmers. And that's why here at Sensegrass we're bringing the most affordable, most smart farming solution. At Sensegrass we are making the world's first smart IoT soil sensor for the NPK detection. We are the first company who detecting the pesticide and fertilizer from the soil by using the smart sensors, the nanosatellite data and the AI prediction software. Let me talk about the unique value proposition of Sensegrass here, that we're making the in-house patented software which is measuring 15 to 20 parameters from the soil, which is the hyper-local data, and gathering this data with the satellite information and giving the prediction to the AI software. At Sensegrass, we're making the farming smart through some of the unique value proposition, which is again called as a unique value proposition of the Sensegrass, which makes that the Sensegrass most unique company. And let me talk about the user case of Sensegrass. That Sensegrass is the only company, only solution where you can use the solution at any area, any place of the world, at any type of the crop. As we all know that agriculture is one of the largest industry. We are focusing on the global farming solution from Africa to Asia, Europe to Latin America. Our company is B2B company where we're focusing on the direct big companies, FNA companies, organic fertilizer companies, and we also open to the B2C farmer, which is the farmers, where we're offering this solution on the subscription based model where farmer can pay in the installment. The business model of Sensegrass is very unique, very straightforward, but very effective. That we're selling the hardware, which is the IoT. We're also selling the software, subscription-based software model, and the third one is the nanosatellite data. Let me talk about the competitor. That we don't have the direct competitor in our industry, because we are the only company measuring the NPK soil sensors from the soil data, and that's make the Sensegrass unique. We do have the indirect competitor, which is more into the precision farming through the drone data, through the satellite data. Let me talk directly to that why we are here. We are a social impact startup, and that's why we are making the farming smart and solution to the farmers. We impacting the financial and the environmental things, but we also helping the farmers through the things. And that's why Sensegrass. Behind every successful startup, there is a strong team. We have the strong team as well. I'm Lalit Gautam. I have one exit, more than 8 years of experience. We have Abhishek, who is handling the IoT and the machine learning. We have Janvijay, and we have wonderful advisor and mentor from around the world, from the top things. We are well awarded startups. We recognized by the Indian government. We also recognized by the iPrize, SOCAP Fellowship, and so many things. And that's why we are here to making the farming smart and solution, making our farmers happy and sustainable again. Thank you so much.